आज हम क्लास 11th के केमिस्ट्री का थर्ड चैप्टर जो कि है क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एलिमेंट्स एंड पीरियोडिसिटी इन प्रॉपर्टीज़ का नोट्स देखने वाले हैं। इसकी लिंक पीडीएफ की लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दी हुई है। आप इसको इजीली डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं और अपना नोट्स बना सकते हैं। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहला टॉपिक मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक लॉ। फिजिकल एंड केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज़ ऑफ द एलिमेंट्स आर पीरियोडिक फंक्शन ऑफ देयर एटॉमिक नंबर। प्रेजेंट फॉर्म ऑफ द पीरियोडिक टेबल. The long form of periodic table are also called modern periodic table is based on modern periodic law. In this table, the elements have been arranged in the order of increasing atomic number. Structural feature of the periodic table. Group. The long form of periodic table consists of the vertical rows called group. There are in all 18 groups in the periodic table. Unlike Mendeleev periodic table, each group is an independent group. Characteristic of group. All the elements present in the group have some general electronic configuration of the atom. The elements in a group are separated by definite gaps of atomic numbers 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32. The atomic sizes of the elements in group increase down the group due to increase in the number of cells. The physical properties of the elements such as MP, BP, densities, solubility, etc. follow a systematic pattern. The elements in each group have generally similar chemical properties, that is, metallic character increase as we down the group. Periods. Horizontal rows in a periodic table are known as periods. There are in all 7 periods in the long form of periodic table. Characteristic of periods. In all the elements present in the period, the electrons are filled in the same valence shell. The atomic sizes generally decreases from left to right. In moving from left to right in a period, the non-metallic character of the elements increases. At the end of each period, in a noble gas element with a closed valence N8 square Np square configuration, characteristic of S block general electronic configuration is Ns1-2. All the elements are soft metals. They have low melting and boiling point. They are highly reactive. Most of them impart colors to flame. They generally form ionic compound. They are good conductor of heat and electricity. Characteristic of p block element. General electronic configuration Ns square Np 1-6. The compound of these elements are mostly covalent in nature. Characteristic of d block elements. General electronic configuration n-1 t power 1-10 ns 0-2. The d block elements are known as transition element because they have incompletely filled d orbitals in their ground state or in any of the oxidation state. Characteristic of f block elements. General electronic configuration n-2 f 1-14 n-1 d ns 0-1 square. They are known as inner transition elements because in the transition elements of d block the electrons are filled in n-1 d subcell, while in the inner transition elements f block the filling of electron takes place in n-2 f subcell, which happens to be one inner subcell. The two rows of elements at the bottom of the periodic table called lanthanoids Ce Z equal to 58 minus Lu Z equal to 71 and acetinoid Th Z 90 Lr Z equal to 103. These two series of elements are called inner transition element F block elements. They are all metals within each series. The properties of the element 1 quite similar. Most of the elements of the acetinoid series are radioactive in nature. Metals comprise more than 78% of all known elements and appear on the left side of the periodic table. Metals are solids at room temperature. Metals usually have high melting and boiling point. They are good conductors of heat and electricity. They are malleable and ductile. Non-metals are located at the top right hand side of the periodic table. Non-metals are usually solids or gases at low temperature with low melting and boiling point. They are poor conductor of heat and electricity. The non-metal character increases as one gases and one goes from left to right across the periodic table. Most non-metallic solids are brittle and are neither malleable nor ductile metalloids. The elements is silicon, germanium, arsenic, antimony, and tellurium shows the characteristic of both metals and non-metals. These elements are called semi-metal. Noble gases. These are the elements present in group 18. Each period ends with noble gas element. All the members are of gaseous nature, and because of the presence of all the occupied field orbital, they have very little tendency to take part in chemical combination. They are also called inert gases. Representative element. The elements of group 1 alkali metal, group 2 alkali earth metals, and group 13 to 17 constitute the representative element. They are elements of S block and P block. Transition elements. The transition elements include all the D block elements, and they are present in the center of the periodic table between S and P block elements. Inner transition elements. Lanthanoids. The 14 elements after lanthanum and actinides, the 14 elements after actinium, are called inner transition elements. They are also called F block elements. The elements after uranium are also called transuranic element. Periodic trends in periodic of elements. Atomic radii. It is defined as the distance from the center to nucleus to the outermost shell containing the electron. Depending upon whether an element is a non-metal or a metal, three types of atomic radii are used. These are covalent radius. It is equal to half of the distance between the center of the nuclei of the two atoms held together by a purely covalent single bond. Ionic radius. It may be defined as the effective distance from the nucleus of an ion up to which it has an influence in the ionic bond. Van der Waals radius. Atoms of noble gas are held together by weak van der Waals forces of attraction. The van der Waals radius is half of distance between the center of nuclei of atoms of noble gases. Metallic radius. It is defined as the half of the internuclear distance between the two adjacent metal ions in the metallic lattice. Variation of atomic radius in the periodic table. Variation in a period. Along a period, the atomic radii of the elements generally decreases from left to right. Variation in a group. The atomic radii of the elements in every group of the periodic table increases as we move downward. Ionic radius. The ionic radii can be estimated by measuring the distance between cations and anions in ionic crystal. In general, the ionic radii of the elements exhibit the same trends as the atomic model cation. The removal of an electron from an atom results in the formation of cation. The radius of the cation is always smaller than that of the atom. Anion. Gain of an electron leads to an anion. The radius of the anion is always larger than that of the atom. Isoelectric species. Some atoms are ions which contain the same number of electrons. We call them isoelectric species. For example, O2 minus, F minus, Na plus and Mg2 plus have the same number of electron 10. Their radii will be different because of the different nucleus charges. Ionization enthalpy. It is the energy required to remove an electron from an isolated gaseous atom in its ground state. M plus IE equilibrium M plus E electron. The unit of ionization enthalpy is kg per mole, and the per unit of ionization potential is electron volt per atom. Successive ionization enthalpies. If a gaseous atom is to lose more than one electron, then they can be removed one after the other, that is, in successive and not simultaneously. This is known as successive ionization enthalpy or potential. The ionization enthalpy required to remove first, second and third electron from a gaseous atom are known as first Li(H1), second Li H2, and third H3 ionization enthalpy respectively. The successive ionization enthalpy for Al atom are as follows. Thus, variation of ionization enthalpy in the periodic table along a period. Ionization enthalpies are expected to increase in a moving across from left to right because the nuclear charges increase and the atomic sizes decreases. In a group, the ionization enthalpies of the element decreases when moving from top to the bottom in any group. The decrease in the ionization enthalpy down from any group is because of the following factor. There is an increase in the number of main energy cells in moving from one element to another. There is also an increase in the magnitude of the screening effect due to gradual increase in the number of inner electrons. Electron gain enthalpy. Electron gain enthalpy is the energy released when an electron is added to an isolated gaseous atom so as to convert it into a negative ion. The process is repeated as factor on which electron gain enthalpy depend. Atomic size, nuclear charge, symmetry of electron configuration, electronegativity along a period in a group, periodic trends in a chemical properties, non-metallic character, basic nature of oxide, acidic nature of oxide, moving down in group, metallic character, non-metallic character, anomalous properties of second period table, oxidation number, common oxidation number, oxidation number of carbon in methane CH4. Assign oxidation number to hydrogen X plus 4 plus 1 0. Hint total of oxidation number for a compound must be equal to 0. X plus 4 equal to 0, X equal to minus 4.